All right, looking at number 20 right here, boy, less than 40% of us got this problem right, guys. And I'm going to be honest, this is one that's a little bit disappointing. This is a good opportunity for us to review and study and hopefully relearn our rules for horizontal asymptotes in rational functions. So in this function, we've got f of x, and they factored out the top and the bottom for you, and they're telling you that the line y equals b is a horizontal asymptote. Well, the only thing you really had to realize here, guys, is that in that numerator, if you were to factor it out, your leading term would have been x times 2x, which would have been a 2x squared. And I don't really care what happens after that. If we were to expand the denominator, the first term right there would have been 1x squared, and then a bunch of junk after that. But when we're talking about horizontal asymptotes, these are limits as x approaches either plus or minus infinity. So all of these other terms here are irrelevant when x is going way off to the right or way off to the left. So you guys might need to go back to chapter 2, it sounds like, and review your rules for horizontal asymptotes. But for right now, here we go. We're looking at the degree of the numerator, which is 2, and the degree of the denominator, which is also 2. So in that case, guys, the limit as x approaches either plus or minus infinity of this function right here is simply going to be the quotient of its leading coefficients, a 2 on the top and a 1 on the bottom, and there we get y equals 2 for this limit, which is your horizontal asymptote right here. And that was the equation, guys. Y equals b is the asymptote, and that b value we needed is 2. So that was the answer for number 20.